Hi, I'm John Marshall from the Old Bull Tavern in Beaufort, South Carolina. I'm here with my good friend Frank Roberts, who is my oyster supplier from Ladies Island Oysters. He's going to show us how he makes his classic mignonette.
Thanks, John. Being that we're in South Carolina, mignonette is a new thing for us. We're used to saltine crackers and cocktail sauce on our oysters. John first introduced this to me several years ago, and I always thought it was mignonette. Over the years, John has been at the farmer's market. Well, I'm introducing this mignonette to the people of my southern heritage all the time. Well, John's been standing behind me cringing. So he finally had enough of it, and he took one of my business cards and he wrote out a filet mignon in a fishing net. And then he wrote the words mignonette underneath it. So that is the proper pronunciation.
And it worked.
Mignonette. So I keep this card handy so I can do the translation for my fellow Southerners.
Visit seafoodforthefuture.org for recipes and to learn more about marine aquaculture and the people who are innovating its future.